Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Aglasam School. So today in this video we are going to cover the next part of exercise 10.2. These parts are really important because question number 11 and 12 have a long of steps, so don't forget to pay attention in this video. So the chapter is chapter number 10 and the name of the chapter is circles, and this is from class 10th NCERT solutions. So let's start with the very first question of this video, that is question number 11. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So here we have to prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore AB is equals to CD, that is equation first. BC is equals to AD, AB is equals to CD, AB is equals to CD, BC is equals to AD, BC is equals to AD, that is second. We know that the tangents drawn from the same external point to the circle are equal. So we all know that the tangent drawn from the same external point to a circle are equal. We have to take care of this in mind. If the tangents are drawn from the same external point to a circle, they are equal. So dr is equals to ds, dr is equal to ds, tangent drawn at the point D, tangent drawn at the point D. At same, cr is equals to cq, cr is equals to cq as drawn from the point C. BP is equals to BQ, BP is equals to BQ because it's drawn from point B. AP is equals to AS because it's drawn from point A. AP is equals to AS. This is 6. Adding equation 3, 4, 5 and 6 we get. Now coming to the next one steps, that is dr plus cr plus BP plus AP is equals to ds plus cq plus BQ plus AS. That is dr plus cr in bracket plus BP plus AP in bracket is equals to ds plus AS in bracket plus CQ plus BQ in bracket, that is CD plus AB is equals to AD plus BC. From first and second we have 2AB is equals to 2BC is equals to AB is equal to BC. This is seventh equation. From first and second and seventh we have AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. Hence ABCD is a rhombus. All the things are proved in every equation, so it is proved that ABCD is a rhombus. So now coming to the next question, this question is really important because it is very lengthy. It's of 3 pages, 1, 2 and 3. I guess it also includes 4 parts. Yeah, it also includes the 4 parts, so pay attention here. So let's start with question number 12. A triangle ABC is drawn to a circumscribe a circle of a radius 4 cm. The circle radius is 4 cm. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe by a circle of radius 4 cm such that segment BD and DC, into which BC is divided by a point of contact D. It is divided by the segment BD and DC, into which BC is divided by the point of contact D of contact D are of length 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. See figure. Find the side of AB and AC. We have to find the side of AB and AC. It's given that the length is 8 cm and 6 cm. Let the circle touches AB and AC. Let the circle touches AB and AC at E and F. At E and F, let AF is equals to X centimeter. We know that the tangents drawn from, now we have to see the figure of this. This is a figure for the next things. So I'll do the page like this. Now it is visible. So let the circle touches AB and AC at E and F. Let AF is equals to X centimeter. We know that the tangents drawn from same external point of a circle are equal. Therefore CF and CD, CF and CD is equals to 6 centimeter because tangent drawn from the point C, BE and BD is equals to 8 centimeter. BE and BD is equals to 8 centimeter because it's drawn from point B. This is external. AE and AF drawn at point A. AB plus AE plus EB is equals to x plus 8. So x plus 8. So after doing this, we are coming to the next steps, that is BC plus BD plus DC is equals to 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. CA is equals to CF plus FA is equals to 6 plus x. In triangle ABC, 2S is equals to AB plus BC plus CA is equals to x plus 8 plus 14 plus 6 plus x is equals to 28 plus 2x. Therefore S equals to 14 plus x. Area of triangle ABC, area of triangle A, B and C, that is root S bracket S minus A bracket S minus B bracket S minus C. So now we have to do this. After solving this, we get 14 plus x bracket 6 bracket 8 after solving this equation. Then we have to solve this 48x. This is 14 plus x centimeter square, that is 4 root 3 14x plus x square centimeter square. So this is the main figure, you have to take care of this. This is the points and this is tangents. External points are this, main point O and triangle A, B and C. Now coming to the next step, area of triangle OBC. Area, we have to find the area O, B and C. OB and C is equals to 1 upon 2 into OD into BC is equals to 1 upon 2 into 4 into 14 is equals to 28 centimeter square. We have to take care of this 28 centimeter. Area of triangle OCA is equals to 1 upon 2 into OF into AC is equals to 1 upon 2 into 4 into 6 plus x is equals to 12 plus 2x centimeter square. Area of triangle OAB is equals to 1 upon 2 into OE into AB is equals to 1 upon 2 into 4 into 8 plus x is equals to 16 plus 2x centimeter square. Area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OCA plus area of triangle OAB, that is 4 root 3 bracket 14x plus x2 is equals to 28 plus 12 plus 2x plus 16 plus 2x. 4 root 3 14x plus x2 is equal to 56 plus 4x. After doing this, after solving this, we get 3 14x plus x square is equal to 14 plus x. 3 14x plus x square is equal to 14 plus x square is equals to 42x plus 3x square is equals to 196 plus x square plus 28 square x. 2x square plus 14x plus, sorry, it's minus 196. 2x, let's repeat this, 2x square plus 14x minus 196 is equal to 0. X square plus 7x minus 98 is equals to 0. X square plus 19x minus 7x minus 98 is equals to 0. X plus 14 minus 7, x plus 14 is 0. X plus 14, x minus 7 is equals to 0. Now x plus 14 is 0 or x minus 7 is 0. Therefore x is minus 14 or 7. But the side of a triangle can't be in negative. So x is not is equal to minus 14. Therefore x is minus 7. The side of a triangle can't be in negative. So we are not taking this value minus 14. We are taking x equal to 7. Hence AB is equals to x plus 8 is equals to 7 plus 8 is equals to 15 centimeter, and CA is equals to 6 plus x is equal to 6 plus 7 is equals to 13 centimeter. So in this question we had asked that find the side of AB and AC. So AB is 15 centimeter and AC is 13 centimeter, or we can say CA is 13 centimeter. So this is all for question number 12. So this is the last question of the same. So this is the last question of this video and this exercise 2, question number 13, which says prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtended supplementary angles at the center of a circle. Let's read the question again. Prove that opposite sides of quadrilateral circumscribing a circle So we have to prove the opposite sides of quadrilateral, which are circumscribing a circle, subtended supplementary angles at the center of circle. So we have to draw this. In this quadrilateral, ABCD is a circumscribing a circle with center O. ABCD is a circumscribing a circle with center O touching at point P, Q and S. Join the point P, Q, R and S from the center O in triangle OAP, in triangle OAP and triangle OAS, in triangle OAS. OP is equals to OS. OP is equals to OS because of radius of a same circle. They are the radius of a same circle. AB is equals to AS because tangent draw at the same time. AP is equals to A because it is an external point and tangent drawn from the external point are the same. AO and AO are common. AO and AO are common. OPA, triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OCA by SSS congruency rule. Hence angle POA is equals to angle SOA, or angle 1 is equals to angle 8. This is angle 1 and angle 8. So these are same. Similarly, angle 2 is equals to angle 3. Angle 2 is equals to angle 3. Angle 4 is equals to angle 5 and angle 6 is equals to angle 7. After doing this, sum of all angles of points O is 360. All the angles making that sum of 360 degree. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, 4 and angle 5, 6, 7 and 8 is equals to 360 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 8 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, angle 4 plus angle 5, angle 6 plus angle 7 is equals to 360 degree. 2 angle 1 plus 2 angle 2 plus 2 angle 5 plus angle 2 plus and multiply angle 6 is equals to 360. After solving this, we get 2 angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equals to 180 degree. Half angle AOB plus angle COD is the sum of 180 degree. Similarly, we can prove angle BOC plus angle DOA is equals to 180 degree. Hence the opposite sides subtended supplementary angle at a center. Hence the opposite sides subtended supplementary angle at a center. So this is the solution for question number 13. Hope you like this video, and this is all for this video and this chapter 2. We'll continue with the next chapters in next video. Till then, if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button, and the most important thing is don't forget to subscribe this channel Aglasam School for such more NCERT solution. Hope you guys are well. Till then, take care. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.